Living in New Orleans offers a unique charm, but the city's hot, humid climate, occasional storms, and salty air can take a toll on your home's windows over time. Over the years, windows can become worn, inefficient, and less functional, leading to problems that may be hard to spot at first. It's essential to recognize the signs that your windows need replacement before they cause bigger issues in your New Orleans home. Here are some common signs you should look out for. Drafts and uneven temperature. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is the presence of drafts or temperature imbalances inside your home. New Orleans' hot summers and mild winters make it essential to maintain proper insulation to keep your home energy efficient. If you notice cold air during winter or hot air in the summer, it could be a sign that your windows aren't sealing properly. This means your air conditioning or heating system is working harder to maintain comfort, leading to higher energy bills. Condensation between panes. If you see condensation or fog between the panes of glass, it's likely that your window seal has failed. The seal between the two panes of glass is designed to keep the temperature-controlled air inside your home. When the seal breaks, moisture can form between the panes, making the window appear foggy or cloudy. Not only is this an aesthetic issue, but it also reduces the energy efficiency of your windows, meaning it's time for a replacement. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are hard to open, close, or lock can pose a security risk to your home. New Orleans residents know how important it is to have functioning, secure windows, especially during storm season. If you find yourself struggling to open or close your windows, or if they don't lock properly, it may be time to consider replacement. Broken locks or warped frames can compromise the safety of your home, so don't ignore these signs. Visible damage to the window frame. Whether it's wood rot from constant humidity, cracks from a storm, or warping from the heat, visible damage to the window frame is a clear indication that your window is no longer performing as it should. In New Orleans, the humidity and weather conditions can cause wood frames to decay, while extreme heat can cause plastic or vinyl frames to warp. A damaged frame can lead to poor insulation, increased energy costs, and even pest problems. If the damage is significant, replacing the window is often the best option. Increased noise levels. New Orleans is a vibrant city, and while the hustle and bustle is part of its charm, you likely want your home to remain a peaceful sanctuary. If you begin to notice increased noise levels from outside, such as street traffic, music, or nearby events, it may be due to your windows losing their soundproofing quality. Older windows or windows with broken seals often fail to block out external noise, making your home feel less quiet. Replacing your windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models can restore peace and quiet to your living space. High energy bills. Windows are one of the primary sources of heat gain or loss in your home. If your energy bills have increased unexpectedly, it could be due to inefficient windows. Cracked or poorly sealed windows can allow heated or cooled air to escape, causing your HVAC system to work harder. This added strain can drive up your energy bills significantly. New, energy-efficient windows can help you lower your utility costs by providing better insulation and reducing the need for constant climate control. Aging windows. Finally, one of the most straightforward signs that you need a window replacement is simply the age of your windows. If your windows are 20 years old or more, they likely no longer meet modern standards for energy efficiency, insulation, and security. Even if they appear to be in good condition, the materials and technology have likely changed since they were installed, and replacing them can offer long-term benefits for your home. Conclusion. Your windows play a significant role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your New Orleans home. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider a window replacement. Upgrading your windows not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provides better protection against the elements, reduces energy costs, and improves overall comfort. Reach out to a local expert for a consultation to ensure your windows are up to the task, and your home remains as cozy and energy efficient as possible.